What?
See that? It's tiny.
What is it?
Print, popper, or footprint.
Oh,
Right here.
I see.
Is that a dog?
No, it's a shoe.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a foot.
Oh well. Yeah, if it wasn't an animal print, I think it would be more padded looking. That one looks kind of flat. Okay, just around the corner here, our trail to Register Ridge. Let's do this. We are officially on the trail, and Tao is crushing it. Let's catch up. Just an amazing hiker she is. One of the more challenging switchbacks. Almost straight up. But if it wasn't for the condition of this trail, it would be killer trying to get up. Good trail, nice switchbacks. Good elevation gain. We're up about 1.5 miles now. It's about 950 feet of elevation gain. Rising out of the valley. Out there you can see a bit of Ontario Peak. And scanning up to our destination, just above the Baldy Bowl will be Baldy Summit. Make sure you get this, because it's so awesome up here.
Got nice blue skies.
We're now about 1,500 feet up, 2.25 miles in. Hey baby, figure this would be a nice spot. Just sit and take a break, yep, refuel for the remainder of our hike up into Baldy Summit, out there beyond those trees. So we made these awesome vegetarian breakfast burritos for our first break. Show me your breakfast burrito, baby. Oh yeah, so good. There could be 100 people up here today, but it feels like just Tao and I. Time to eat. We are now about 2.5 miles up and we're at about 1,700 feet of elevation gain. Clearly rising out of the canyon and slowly making our way up to the Backbone Trail. Baldy Bowl. Well, no doubt this was one of the tougher sections coming up. We're now about 3 miles in and at an elevation gain of about 2,300 feet, and we still have a little ways to go through the Manzanita. And there's Tao making her way up. Nice job, baby. Couldn't ask for a better day. A very unforgiving section of the hike. We don't have much further until we intersect with the Backbone Trail. But the views are worth it. Okay, we're just about at the end of the ridge trail, registered ridge. We're about ready to intersect with the Backbone Trail and make our way up to Baldy. So far, I'm showing 2 hours in. We are almost 3,000 feet of elevation gain at almost 3 miles. And Tal's about ready to make her way onto the ridge trail. I think she made it. Yeah. Peace, baby. We made it. Backbone Trail, straight ahead. Almost 4 miles in, just at around 3,000 feet of elevation, making the Harwood Trail up to Mount Harwood. Easy hike up. But we just came off of Mount Harwood, up beyond the trees. There's the Backbone Trail behind us. View of the valley with the June gloom setting in. Nice picture of the bowl. And the trail in front of us. Tal making her way. And I to the summit.